Once upon a time, in a small town, there lived a man named Joe. Joe was known throughout the community as the most honest worker anyone had ever met. He worked at the local factory where he operated a machine that produced widgets. Joe took pride in his work. Every morning he arrived at the factory with a smile on his face and a strong work ethic. His co workers admired him for his dedication and integrity. Joe believed in doing his job to the best of his ability, no matter how small and mundane the task. One day, the factory manager, Mr. Thompson, announced a competition for the Employee of the Month award. The prize was a bonus and a certificate of recognition. Joe wasn't motivated by rewards, but he saw this as an opportunity to inspire others to embrace honesty and hard work. As the days passed, Joe continued to work diligently. He never cut corners or took shortcuts. His co workers noticed his commitment and started to follow his example. The atmosphere in the factory changed and people became more focused and dedicated. The deadline for the competition approached, and Mr. Thompson had a tough decision to make. Many employees had improved their work ethic, but Joe stood out. His consistent honesty and dedication had a positive ripple effect on the entire team. When the day of the announcement arrived, the factory gathered in the break room. Mr. Thompson commended everyone for their hard work but declared Joy as the employee of the month. The room erupted in applause. Joy, with humility, accepted the award, thanking his colleagues for their collective efforts. As the months passed, the positive changes in the factory continued. Productivity increased and the work environment became more harmonious. Joy's influence was undeniable and he became a role model for others seeking success through honesty and hard work. One day, a customer visited the factory to inspect the production process. Impressed by the efficient and honest work of the employees, the customer decided to increase their orders. The factory thrived, and the employees enjoyed the benefits of their collective success. Joy's story spread beyond the towns, inspiring others in different places. He became a symbol of the impact one honest worker could have on an entire community. The lesson learned was clear: honesty and hard work not only benefit individuals but also create a positive ripple effect that can transform entire communities. And so, in that small town, Joy's legacy lived on as a reminder that honesty indeed the best policy.